In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join any online class without needing a code, specifically using platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. These are some of the most common and user-friendly tools for online classes, meetings, and casual hangouts. We'll keep it simple, effective, and you'll be able to join a meeting in no time. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First off, you'll want to head over to the Google Meet website from your preferred web browser. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're logged in with your Google account. This will ensure seamless access to all the functionalities that Google Meet has to offer. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the option that says New Meeting. This option is your gateway to participating in online classes or meetings without having to input any passcodes. Clicking on New Meeting will give you a few choices, but the one we're interested in right now is Create a Meeting for Later. This option allows you to schedule a meeting which becomes accessible via a unique link. That link is your golden ticket to join any session without needing a code. After you opt to create a meeting for later, a link will be generated just for you. The next actionable step is clicking on Copy Link. This action copies the unique meeting URL to your clipboard, making it ready for use whenever you're set to join the online class or meeting. This link is essential because it bypasses the requirement of entering a class code, which is particularly useful if you're faced with issues of codes not being shared in time or communicated incorrectly. Now, with the meeting link copied, whenever it's time to join the class, all you need to do is paste this link into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the meeting, skipping the hassle of finding or entering any codes. And there you have it, you're led straight into the session, ready to start learning or collaborating without any code conflicts. These steps work remarkably well with Google Meet, emphasizing its ease of use and flexibility, especially for users who frequently participate in meetings and classes. Keep in mind that these steps are specific to Google Meet, but similar procedures apply to Zoom or other meeting platforms, always involving a meeting link that grants you direct access without the need for a code. Practicing this method will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency in joining online classes and meetings, reducing the potential friction and frustration of dealing with class codes. Remember to check your internet connection to prevent any disruptions during your online sessions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you seamlessly join your next virtual class or meeting.